In the heartland of America, amidst rolling farmland and horse-drawn buggies, live the Amish. They are a people apart, known for their plain dress, their rejection of modern conveniences, and their deep connection to the land. Their way of life is a testament to tradition, hard work, and self-reliance. One of the most fascinating aspects of Amish culture is their mastery of food preservation. Without relying on refrigerators, freezers, or other modern appliances, the Amish have developed and maintained techniques for preserving the bounty of their harvests for months or even years. These methods are more than just practical necessities. They are a reflection of their values and a testament to the enduring wisdom of simpler times. Amish foodways are deeply intertwined with the rhythms of the natural world. Their diet is largely based on what they can grow themselves or obtain from their local communities. Fresh fruits and vegetables, dairy products, meat from their own livestock, and baked goods made from scratch are all staples of the Amish table. Preserving these foods is essential for ensuring a steady supply throughout the year, especially during the long winter months when fresh produce is scarce. The Amish approach to food preservation is a testament to their resourcefulness and their deep respect for the gifts of the earth. Canning is one of the most common and effective methods of food preservation used by the Amish. This age-old practice has been passed down through generations, ensuring that the bounty of summer can be enjoyed throughout the year. This time-honored technique involves heating food to a high temperature to kill bacteria and then sealing it in sterilized jars. The process is meticulous, requiring careful attention to detail to ensure that the food remains safe and delicious. The heat creates a vacuum seal, preventing spoilage and allowing food to be stored for extended periods. This vacuum seal is crucial as it keeps out air and bacteria, preserving the food's flavor and nutritional value. From fruits like peaches and berries to vegetables like green beans and tomatoes, a wide array of produce can be preserved through canning. Each jar represents a small piece of summer captured and stored for the colder months. The process of canning is often a communal affair, with women gathering in kitchens to sterilize jars, prepare produce, and process the filled jars in large water baths. This communal effort not only makes the work more efficient, but also strengthens community bonds. The rhythmic clinking of jars and the sweet aroma of simmering fruits fill the air, creating a sensory experience that speaks to the heart of Amish tradition. It's a labor of love, a way to honor the land's bounty and ensure that nothing goes to waste. The end result is a pantry full of colorful jars, each one a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Amish community. The root cellar is another essential element of Amish food preservation. Dug deep into the earth, the root cellar provides a cool, dark, and humid environment ideal for storing fruits, vegetables, and other foods. The earth's natural insulation helps to regulate the temperature and humidity, keeping produce fresh for months. Apples, potatoes, onions, carrots, and other root vegetables are carefully layered in the cool darkness, their earthy scents mingling with the musty air. The root cellar is a testament to the Amish understanding of and respect for the natural world, a place where the bounty of the harvest is carefully stored and cherished. Section 5. Preserving the harvest, drying, salting, and smoking. In this section, we delve into the time-honored techniques that have been passed down through generations. In addition to canning and root cellaring, the Amish utilize a variety of other traditional preservation methods. These methods are not only practical but also deeply rooted in their cultural heritage. Drying is a simple yet effective way to remove moisture from food, inhibiting the growth of bacteria and extending its shelf life. This method can be done using natural sunlight or with the help of modern food dehydrators. Apples are sliced and strung up to dry, their sweetness intensifying as they lose their moisture. This process not only preserves the apples but also enhances their flavor, making them a delightful treat. Herbs like rosemary, thyme, and oregano are bundled and hung from rafters, their fragrant oils becoming more concentrated as they dry. This method ensures that the herbs retain their potent flavors and can be used throughout the year. Salting is another ancient preservation technique that draws out moisture and inhibits bacterial growth. This method has been used for centuries to keep meat and fish edible for extended periods. Meat and fish are often salted, the salt preserving the food and imparting a distinctive flavor. The process of salting not only extends the shelf life, but also adds a unique taste that is cherished in many traditional dishes. Smoking is yet another traditional method used to preserve and flavor meat and fish. This technique involves exposing the food to smoke from burning wood, which imparts a rich, smoky flavor. The smoke from slow-burning hardwoods infuses the food with a rich, smoky flavor while simultaneously preserving it. This method not only enhances the taste, but also ensures that the food remains safe to eat for longer periods. Section 6. Eggs in wood ash. A timeless technique. One of the more unique methods employed by the Amish is the preservation of eggs in wood ash. This age-old technique involves packing fresh eggs in a crock or bucket, layering them with sifted wood ash. The alkaline nature of the wood ash creates an environment that deters bacterial growth and prevents the eggs from spoiling. Eggs preserved in this way can last for several months, providing a valuable source of protein throughout the winter. This method, passed down through generations, highlights the Amish ingenuity and resourcefulness in utilizing readily available materials for food preservation. Section 7. Fermentation, harnessing nature's power. Fermentation is another cornerstone of Amish food preservation. This ancient process utilizes beneficial bacteria and yeasts to transform food, enhancing its flavor and preserving it for extended periods. Sauerkraut, a fermented cabbage dish, is a staple in many Amish homes. The cabbage is shredded and packed tightly in a crock, salt is added, and the mixture is left to ferment for several weeks. The result is a tangy, probiotic-rich condiment that adds a burst of flavor to winter meals. Pickling, a related process, involves submerging vegetables in a brine solution to preserve them. Cucumbers, beets, and other vegetables transform into tangy, crunchy treats that brighten up winter meals. Section 9. The Pantry, a symphony of scents and flavors. The Amish Pantry is a testament to their dedication to food preservation. It is a place where the sights, smells, and flavors of the harvest linger long after the crops have been gathered. Rows of gleaming jars filled with colorful fruits and vegetables line the shelves, their contents promising to brighten up dreary winter days. The earthy aroma of drying herbs mingles with the tangy scent of fermenting sauerkraut, creating a sensory experience that is both comforting and invigorating. The pantry is the heart of the Amish home, a place where the abundance of the earth is celebrated and cherished. Section 10. The Legacy of Self-Reliance. The Amish dedication to food preservation is more than just a practical necessity. It is a deeply ingrained part of their culture and identity. It is a testament to their self-reliance, their resourcefulness, and their respect for the natural world. These time-honored techniques have been passed down through generations, connecting the Amish to their ancestors and ensuring the continuation of their traditions. In a world increasingly reliant on technology and convenience, the Amish way of life serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of simplicity, patience, and a deep connection to the land. Section 11. Conclusion, lessons from the Amish Pantry. The Amish Pantry, a treasure trove of preserved foods, offers valuable lessons for us all. These shelves, filled with jars of homemade preserves, pickles, and other goods, are a testament to a lifestyle that values sustainability and self-sufficiency. In a world grappling with issues of food waste, sustainability, and the environmental impact of our food choices, The Amish approach to food preservation serves as a powerful example of how to live in greater harmony with nature. Their practices remind us that with careful planning and a bit of effort, we can significantly reduce waste and make more environmentally friendly choices. Their methods, while seemingly simple, require a deep understanding of natural processes, a commitment to patience, and a willingness to embrace tradition. Techniques like canning, drying, and fermenting are not just about preserving food, they are about preserving a way of life that respects the cycles of nature and the hard work that goes into producing our food. By learning from the Amish and rediscovering the lost arts of food preservation, we can not only reduce our reliance on modern conveniences, but also reconnect with the rhythms of the natural world and develop a deeper appreciation for the food we eat. Workshops and community gardens can be great places to start, offering hands-on experience and a sense of community. Embracing these practices can lead to a more sustainable and fulfilling lifestyle, one jar at a time.